Honeybee coming at you with a brand new video. So today I'm going to be discussing how you can make money online, and I'm not going to pretend to sell you the dream and tell you that you're going to make $10,000 in a month. This is something that I've tried and tested, so I'm going to discuss this with you today. If this video is for you and you're interested in how you can make extra cash online, then please do smash that subscription button and press the like, because it really does help. So I have been using Prolific. So you can see here it's a site called Prolific, and I have been on it less than a week. I have done a total of 13 submissions, as you can see there. 7 have been approved, and I've been paid £2.77, and I actually have £2.54 in the bank waiting for approval. What's fantastic about this site is it's literally different universities that are doing these studies, and they're really interesting studies. They're tailored to the person. So you need to fill out an about you, all about you section. You can fill out as much as you want or as least as you want. You don't have to fill out everything. If you think some things are a bit personal, yeah, you don't have to fill it out. What they do with that information is they put studies in front of you that might interest you. And so the studies are really short. When it says that a study will take 2 minutes, it does mean the study will take 2 minutes, or a study will take 3 minutes. The other day there was a video study, or an audio study. I couldn't do it because I had to start teaching, and it was like £5 or something for a few, literally 10 minutes. It's not money that's going to replace your full-time income or anything like that, but it's really good to have it if you're bored, for extra money. So with this extra money that I'm building up in this bank here, I might just use it, say, for, I don't know, food for Christmas presents, or put it towards, say, something technology related that I want. Who knows? But it's just a bit of extra pocket money, and it's just nice to know that you can earn money online doing something. When you're sitting at home, you can think to yourself, you know what? Oh, I feel like earning a bit of extra cash. It's better than sitting at home and earning zero. Even if you are earning like 70 pence here or 70 pence there, or 2 pence or 15 pence, it all adds up. It's still almost, I would say, almost passive income that you've got, and it's not too taxing on the brain. This would definitely suit someone, say, who's a student, stay-at-home moms, that type of demographic would really enjoy doing this. And also, I suppose, if you're a school child as well and you can't earn money, but I don't know how old you need to be on this site. They are fussy about who they take, so they do ask you some questions and check that you are actually answering the questions and not just trying to skip by it to get paid. But yeah, I thought I would share this information with you because, why not all win together? We're going through a recession here in England, and with everything that's going on, we're all looking for that sort of side hustle. And for me, Prolific is a great side hustle to have. So I'm keeping it short and sweet. Please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.